Good evening. I'm Massimo Ruscio. I work for Dual Asset Underwriting. We are a title insurance provider. Here in CEE, I don't need to explain what the title insurance is, but probably it's what I should say is that Dual Asset in 5 years became the largest title insurance provider in the world outside the US. So CEE market is very relevant for us. I look after it together with Phil Olcorn. We just hired actually 2 people here, and so we really have invested a lot, and we want to grow and to expand our presence here. What we are doing is basically helping the transaction to happen. So we step in a situation where it might be time constraint, or there might be a red flag that the lawyer flagged and is impeding or slowing down the deal. And what we do is providing either a wrap-up cover to the fundamental warranties or some specific risk cover for any issue related to the fundamental warranties. So basically we are an M&A tool, and our goal is to help the transaction to happen. We've been participating to CEE Investment Awards already since several years, and we are very excited to be here. It's my first time, so I can see there are really a lot of interesting and new people to meet, so I'm really happy to be here.